Meet HosterFrame. HosterFrame connects WHMCS to Framer, allowing you to build lightning-fast websites and landing pages. Use ready-made WHMCS components in Framer and sync products, domains and live pricing directly from WHMCS. WHMCS continues to handle ordering, billing and client management, while Framer gives you complete freedom to design and optimize your website. Let's set it up. Start by extracting the HosterFrame Bridge package. Using your FTP client, upload the HosterFrame Bridge folder to your WHMCS installation under Modules Add-ons. Next, log into WHMCS and navigate to System Settings and go to Add-on Modules. Activate HosterFrame Bridge and open the configuration page. Here you can configure the allowed origins for your Framer project. If you're still testing, you can leave this field empty for now. Now switch over to Framer. Open the HosterFrame plugin and enter your license key and activate. Then enter your WHMCS URL and click Save. With the connection established, it's time to import your WHMCS data. Open the CMS panel and click Import. Search for HosterFrame and create a new collection called Products. Select WHMCS Products. Click Next and import your products. Repeat the same process for domains. Create a new collection called Domains. Select WHMCS Domains and import your domain extensions. And that's it. Your Framer project is now connected to WHMCS and ready to use with HosterFrame.